Guys. Nakoy pangutana ba? Kung sa imong buhaton, kung makita nimo imong kaila nga nag-cheat. What's up kagayanons? Mayong adlaw na tong tanan and Burns here. And by the way, thank you so much for liking my Facebook page. Thank you also for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much to all the following sa akong social media accounts. And natakaron, it's because I was invited to go to a blessing sa isa ka-opening diri sa Cagayan de Oro, a food establishment. I don't know if you've heard about unlimited pizza, unlimited spag, unlimited fries. Like, this place is what you call cheat day. Let's go!
Vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous vers l'horizon. Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous.
So, you might be wondering where is cheat day. Yeah. So, asa ni siya? So, I will guide you. Makita ninyo tong, dito nga dapit mo to ang rotunda. Ano, hindi mo siya auto-focus. Munang rotunda. And then, straight mo diha, gikan kung gikan ta sa Carmen. Straight ka, paingon sa right. Kita ninyo siya dayon dire. Oh, diba? So, this is it. Cheat day.
Hi! Welcome to Cheat Day!
Yes! Hello! Ayan. Hi!
Kailan ka ng burner?
Yes, hi! And yeah, nalang ko pangutanon diri guys, no? He is one of the proprietor for Cheat Day, so please welcome Reagan. Okay. Okay. Nalang ko mga few questions, no? Like, pila gani ang atong price diri sa unlimited pizza, spag, fries, chicken? Pila gid?
$2.49. So, dala siya mga salads, pizza, mga pasta, carbonara, Filipino spaghetti, aglio olio, depende. Apoy mga wings, mga buffalo wings, Asian, sa baba, nalimot mga mga salad, na rice, so mapila siya iced tea.
So grabe gid guys, no. So follow up question, wala ba mo nahadlok nga inyong gipresyo og $2.49 sa pagangalan nga unlimited siya tanan?
Hadlok.
Yeah, but
Wow, okay na lang. Ginansya lang may everybody happy. Okay lang.
okay na. So
Kita siguro.
okay, and also Reagan, follow up question.
Yes.
Like who or what inspired you to do this business?
Kana siya murag gina personal favorite yun ang mga pizza, pasta. So amo na nga since na may mga wings, apoy sa uban na yung mga pizza sa lang lugar. So
Yeah.
amo na why not gatay na ito tanan. Kanya medyo taas yung presyo sa like normal na mga buffet nga $199, pero bili ito kay buffet siya high quality gina yung mga dilawan na
Yes, high quality. So dilita kachipan dire. Okay, so I don't know if you encountered any unlimited pizza, spag, chicken diri sa Cagayan, no? Pero sa akong pagkahibawan, murag kamo gid siguro pinakauna ning ano ba, food establishment pa. So I don't know if you agree with me. You agree with me?
I agree with you.
So yeah, so guys, let's check na lang their food when you get here. And by the way also, ang ilag yung opening is tomorrow yun, grand opening na yun, like
Soft opening 4 to 9 p.m. Dayon, lahi na pagka-bar na rin mga gabi. So, to
Okay.
9 p.m. may mga beers, all beers, tatay, second floor po. So, for now, sa ubos na tayo mga vloggers.
yes. Okay, so vloggers yun.
Vloggers, kasama ka?
Bisita. Okay, so by the way, ang ilang opening yun is 4 or 5.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. yun.
4 p.m.
That's daily. That's Monday to Sunday.
Mm.
That's Monday to Sunday, 4 to 9 p.m. ang unlimited lang.
Yes.
Ang kanima. Pero after 9 p.m.
Bar na siya.
bar na rin siya. So dili na siya i-serve na rin yung to. Dili na
Wala,
i-serve.
i-close na siyang bar.
Yeah, i-close na ni siya.
Pero parang namin yung menu para mo nagkompleto.
Naasla yung menu pero dili na nila i-open ang unlimited ngayong ani pag mula pa sa 9 p.m. So dapat kamot tanan katong gusto mo indulge yun sa ilang sa inyong experience diri sa cheat day dapat 4 to 9 p.m. ra gid siya dapat.
4 to 9.
Okay? So yeah, so see you around.
Thank you.
I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya.
Land in Miami, the air was hot from summer rain, sweat dripping off me.
Anyway, muli na ako sa balay no kay Tagalumbia pa akong dako. So, congratulations to Marlon Doong, Regan Serposa, and Ryan Macas for opening Cheat Day! So, I would like to invite all of my friends out there, mga Skane friends, so please don't forget to drop by here. Your favorite unlimited pizza and all Cheat Day. Thank you so much. Hope to see you around.